Afternoon, everyone. How are you all doing, guys? Welcome to this video review. I'm here to talk to you about a coffee loophole for weight loss. It's really amazing the way this supplement works because you're going to be combining it with coffee, and this is going to be like a loophole for you to lose up to a lot of weight. Today, I am here to talk to you about Fitspresso. So if you've heard about the supplement before or if you have not, and you are looking to really cut down in weight because you are sick and tired of having to deal with being overweight and not having the liberty to wear shorts, to wear dresses, and you just have to keep on wearing oversized t-shirts, oversized pants, and you really feel ashamed about your body, then it's about time to say enough is enough, right? I'm here to show you today how Fitspresso is a really great natural supplement. It is actually a coffee loophole for weight loss, and it can help you lose up to a lot of weight. Thankfully today, so many people have turned to Fitspresso because of the results they get out of it, because it's easy to use, and it's 100% natural. It's organic, so stay right there. Okay guys, just really big, huge alert. If you're looking to purchase Fitspresso, they have an official webpage. So I left for you the link just here below this video. You can be checking that out afterwards. So in case you want to buy Fitspresso, you can go directly there in order to make a safe and secure purchase, okay? Anyways, Fitspresso, it's like so simple. It combines the power of super synergy and 6 clinically proven ingredients that when combined with coffee, it's going to electrify your metabolism and allow for all-day fat burning, guys. If at this point you can't lose weight, it's because of your fat burning window. You see, Fitspresso works by tapping into your body's natural circadian rhythm at certain times during the day. Our fat cells, they are ready to release fat, and that is when weight loss is basically effortless. So it's called our fat burning window. Fitspresso actually works by keeping that window open for much longer and speeding up your metabolism. So you can burn fats and let it all go through that window. If you're overweight at this point, it's because your fat-burning window isn't open for that long. Maybe it opens, but then it closes, right? And your metabolism is not fast enough to melt down the fat so that it can go through that window. That is how Fitspresso's gonna work. Okay, so the ingredients that make Fitspresso are 100% organic. They don't have side effects. They don't have stimulants or GMOs. That's why it's so amazing, cause you are counting on the power of Mother Earth here, Mother Nature, to help you to lose weight. And Fitspresso, guys, you're going to be combining coffee with Fitspresso. So in the morning, once you prepared your cup of joe, you're going to take that and take a capsule of Fitspresso along with it and let it do its magic. You have to take it in the morning in order to, let Fitspresso work throughout your body throughout the whole day, and so that it can really target the localized fats around your body to really melt them off, okay? Plus, you can expect more energy levels, a whole lot more of disposition. And if you are ready to finally bring back your confidence, your self-esteem, and have that sexy smoking hot body that you've always wanted to have, it's about time to start using Fitspresso, so the link is here waiting for you. And before I forget, they also give you a 180-day money-back guarantee. So if it's not what you thought it would be, if you're not that happy with it, simply request your money back on the official webpage. But guys, do your treatment. Seriously. Do a 3 to 6 months treatment and you're going to have awesome results with Fitspresso. Alright, thanks for watching for now. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.